Do you want to know how you can download the sets as PDF in Quizlet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download the sets as PDF in Quizlet. Go ahead and open Quizlet.com on your Chrome or Edge browser, log into your account, and you can see this interface. Now click on any set or class and you will be leaded to the set. Now scroll down and click on the 3 lines button over here and click on print. You can see that it will give you the option of customizing the layout of the screen, and then you can see that it will appear over here, and these are all the sets created by the user. Now click on flip terms and definitions, and then you can customize the definitions. And if you want to print it, which means by downloading it, just click on want to print the test, click here, and you can see that you can download the set from here. So guys, this is it. You can download the set by clicking on start test, and you can click print test and click print. Now you can write down the name of the document and click save. After a while, the set will be downloaded and it will be turned into PDF. So this was a video on how you can download the set as PDF. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.